Welcome to Kentucky Welding Tool and Die. I'm going to take you on a tour of the shop today. First we'll start in here in the offices. And all this is all new siding. We've been doing a major remodeling project in our building for the past 4 or 5 months now. As you can see, we got all our new blue trim, all our new letters up there. We got the new louvers in the side of the building for airflow on the side of the shop. Alright, we'll enter the offices now. Here's our beautiful new offices. There's Kathleen over there, our secretary. Hi, Kathleen. We'll go see. We'll walk through the door here. Give you all a view of what you've never seen before. We'll go in here in Mom's office. She's not here yet, so we'll go in here and check it out. It's a little dirty, but we won't show her desk. We'll just show everything else. Live, laugh, love. Well, often and much. Alright, that was Mom's office. Now I'll go out here, check out the rest of the business. Oh look, there goes Tom. He's running. I'm coming in the bathroom. See, there's the ladies' restroom. There's Angelique. Today she's helping us. We're having our open house and she is serving food for us, or helping serve food.
Hello.
The women's bathroom. See if anybody's in there. Nobody's in there. Alright, here's the ladies. Nice, nice. Hopefully Tom is in the stall. This is the men's. Oh, let's see here. Let's find the light. There we go. All new stainless steel stalls. Sink. If y'all can see, this is our bathroom, which is being used at the moment. Okay. All what you're seeing new now in this hallway is new addition. Here's Dad's office. This is Dad's office. We got the saying in here: you mess with the bull, you get the horns. So this is Dad's office. He's got the view of outside in the shop. So right there, where we're gonna have our where our customers are gonna sit and eat. We're gonna serve them food. Mom and a couple of her friends stayed late last night and got it all decorated. Hard workers. In here is my office. A little bit of patriotic going on. I got a view of outside. There's Rufus down there in his bed, being a good boy. Got my dual screens going on. Gotta have my AutoCAD screen for drawing. I'll go back out here. Got our sign here. Caution, watch for forklift traffic. Over here we got T.O., aka T-Bone. And we're coming over here. We got our saws way down there. We'll get around to that. We'll start here in our tool room here. We got our benches over here. This is my bench. Over here is my dad's bench right next to me. And over here we got our brand new CMM, which is an awesome machine. Still learning how to use it. but it's pretty cool. Precision, checks things into within 0.2 of a thousandths. And over here we got our wet surface grinder, and then our big Acer lathe, and our other little lathe. It's a Harding and a little Romy lathe right there, little M17. And come over here, we got the big G30 lathe, which we run a lot of our government valves in, which John is setting up to get done right now. Bandsaw over there. We got another mill over here. There's our D560 mill. There she sits. And you got our big D1250 mill, which is pretty huge. And over here, we got some of our manual CNCs. We got Junior over there running right now, running one of them. We got our presses that we press some parts out and stamp some holes. Some drill presses, a big drill press. Over here we got our tooling cabinet for our mills and machining. Over here we got our TIG table outfit, which is my favorite spot right now. I like to TIG. And back here is our fabrication department. We got our big tables here. We do a lot of fabrication on. Right now we got some big doors we're building that are going on the trailer over there. That red train truck over there, we just got done building about 600 of those that go to Toyota. Pretty complex welding parts. They go inside of a train car and use tie downs to hold the cars in the trains for Toyota. We just got our tooling rack. Them are the big doors for the semi-trailer. I'll show you here in a second. Got our welders and our feeders overhead. There's a brand new welder over there with its own feeder. See, we got our, I think it's like 4 by 8 foot granite table we do a lot of our precision fabrication on. And over there we got Max's toolbox. And this is his table he likes to work at. A little sandblaster over there. Our plate roller over there. That's it. It gets used a little bit. Build some stacks. We got our shear way over there in our fork truck. One of our fork trucks. We have 2 Clark fork trucks. Right here is our Miller mobile unit. We call it our Trailblazer. We haul it with us when we got to go on the job sites. And we got a little beaver over there cleaning his machine right now. Over here we got our Cincinnati brake press, which is Matt Crow's department. He does a lot of our braking. And over here is Matt Crow's other department. Is our CNC burn table, or plasma cutter table I should say. And you program it, hit start, and it goes on and cuts shapes out. Here's where you program it, right in here in this computer. And, you know, it can cut shapes out like you see there. And we got our air compressors here, and we got our paint wall / paint booth here, where Max does a lot of our painting here. And over here is where we're building not a whole semi-trailer. The frame came in and we built everything from the floor up. So let's get 4 10-foot long doors, and 1 big door in the back, plus all the walls. It's a scrap trailer for a scrap company we have here in Kentucky, Ohio Valley Aluminum. And walking up this way, We got where our metal comes in the big door. We can bring it right in here and start cutting it up. We got our iron worker there, our Hydromex saws here. This one's just our straight cutter. That one over there behind it, it cuts angles. Oh, there's Max. Yep, and this is our shop, Kentucky Welding Tool and Die. A lot more to show, a lot more going on, but I don't want to make this video too long. God bless y'all.